Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the phonetic project using Python. User have to choose the word length and time limit. Then click on the start and Tkinter used to develop the user interface. So right now it is showing the time countdown.
Cell
S E O O
Cell
SHOE
S R E
Shoe
Cure
C U R E
Cure
TOOR ROOF
R O R O R
Roof
Wish ECIS.
Game over and total marks 40. So this is the complete project. If you find out then you can comment in the comment section. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.